Hey there mga my loves, Aries! Yan, happy New Year mga babe! So yan, bago natin simulan ng pag-read ng energy ninyo. So, kamusta naman? Meron kayong hangover? Hangover o jet lag yan? Kasi paikot-ikot kayo, no? Sa lahat ng inuman. Yan, no? So, mga babes, no? I hope na every one of us, no, is celebrate no all throughout the year. Yan, no? Look forward na natin yan, no? Just stay positive, no? And claim the beautiful blessings, no, that will come into our lives. Yan. And be grateful every day, of course. So, yan, Aries, no? So, bago natin simulan ng reading ninyo, advice muna tayo and hindi po all of you ay makaka-resonate. Kaya naman, just choose only the messages you think ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay for you, then this reading might be really for you. Yan, no? Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo. You can flip roles if you want. You can do that. So, alamin na natin, this is for Aries. So, yan mga babes, so ano pang mga handa ninyo ang nandiyo dyan? May spaghetti pa dyan. Spaghetti forever and ever. Forever. Letter P. So, yan mga babes, so let's see what do we have here for you. Aries. Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, maraming salamat for being present here in our reading. This is for me, Aries. What this Aries needs to know. And let's see, Aries. What do we have here for you guys, no? Unang linggo ng taon. Bongga. So, let's see. Spirits and Angel Guides, can you please show me messages for me, dear Aries? Just gathering up the energies for you, Aries. 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 Okay, so Aries, let's go ahead and find out ano ba itong mga nakuha natin for you guys. So, the first energy that we've got here for you, Aries, is the Temperance energy. Looks like something divine is about to happen here, okay? I don't know why I'm getting this new beginning, but I'm seeing the Two of Cups, you know. This is my bartender, you know. The bartender. This is the universe, yan, no? Mukhang meron sila rito na gustong ipahiwatig sa'yo. If you are looking for love, I'm seeing you finding one. Eee! It's divine timing. I don't know if you're dealing with Taurus ha, pero nakukuha ko yung same energy, no, na meron doon sa reading na yon, no, dito sa inyong reading as well, no. So, it doesn't have to be that you're dealing with Taurus, pero maaring this person kung sino tong paparating sa inyo, very grounded, no, very grounded ang kanyang energy. Someone who is faithful. That's what I'm sensing. So with the temperance, what I'm sensing right here is like, this is you being patient here when it comes to love. You're not rushing into things, no? You're not rushing into situations to unfold. You're just letting it happen naturally, Aries. So that's what I'm sensing for you guys. No? There's a new beginning here with romantic relationships. No? I'm seeing a blooming flower. So it looks like this will definitely be something, no, na pwede ninyong i-look forward, no, magsisimula ng maganda at nakikita kong magpapatuloy ng mas maganda palalo. So nakikita ko rito, no, na itong klase ng connection na to, no, is the type of connection na matatawag nating nagsistay. Yan, no? Kasi I do sense right here that you want here someone to stay in your life. Yeah. I'm getting that song of I don't know if it's Miss Carol Banawa or what. I want you to stay, never go away from me. Yan, no? Sorry about my voice, no? Uminom rin kasi ako gaya niyo. Hindi ba ako pwede uminom pag New Year? Say mga babes, no? Yan, you just want someone here to stay. Yan, no? And I'm seeing that, okay, happening here for you guys. For others of you, nakilala mo na siya. Yan, no? Yung iba nakilala nyo siya, like literally, nitong nakaraang buwan lang. So whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates. Pero nakikita ko yung iba nakilala nyo na 2023. Doesn't have to be nung nakaraang buwan lang. Sinabi ko yun kasi I'm getting that strongly as well. Okay? Maaring meron ditong nanonood, no, na pwedeng hindi ka aware na nakilala mo na yon, tao na yon, no? And for others of you, I'm seeing this person, mamimit mo siya. Yes. First quarter of this 2024. Yan. Oo, yung iba, January talaga yun. Taray. Oh, bongga. We have here the Ace of Cups energy. Told you. Okay? It's definitely new love, new passionate, romantic relationship. Yung iba nakilala nyo na yun, nakikita kong mas gumaganda at gaganda pa yan. And this person here would definitely, you might wanna watch the Taurus reading that I did earlier. Yeah. Because I'm also getting the same energy. So, definitely, baka makaresonate kayo doon. Okay, doesn't have to be that you're dealing with Taurus, ha? Malinaw tayo dyan. Okay? Kapag nanonood kayo kahit sa ang channel ng energy readings, no? Pag may binanggit doon na sign, doesn't have to be na yun yung sign, no? Na kadil ninyo. Okay? Energy lang yun, mga mahal. Okay? Kaya let's not get fixed with the sign. Wala tayong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Okay? And of course, timeless din ito. Pero pag may minention na something strong, yun, pwede kayo mag-jot ng or mag-take down notes doon. Okay, Yasi, look at that. Two of Cups. Are you just kidding me? You're gonna meet the one. Yun na yun. You're gonna meet the one here. And it will start here as something that you cannot explain at all at mag-unfold na lang to naturally, beautifully. Maganda, no? Mabagal ito, pero nakikita ko na banayad. Like, both of you will go in this type of very calm connection, no? And very healing as well. Dito tinitimpla pa lang, oh. Mekos-mekos pa lang ng mga angels and spirit guides na dito, no? Kung paano kayo magtatagpo. You do not need to know how this thing will unfold. You do not need to know when this is gonna happen exactly or what. But this is gonna happen. That's what I'm sensing. This is gonna happen here for you guys, no? Tinitimpla rito, tas ito hawak niyo na, oh. Oh, Two of Cups, no? Dito hawak niyo na. So, ibig sabihin, no? Ano? Mission, mission ano yan, no? Mission succeed yan, no? Daw. It's a success mission, yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, ibig sabihin, no, kung ano tong mission ni universe rito, kung paano kayo magtatagpo saan, no oras, at kung kailan, definitely, nakikita ko rito, no, na mangyayari na yan. This is the type of energy, no, na parang you will go crazy over this connection, and that other person will also go crazy in this type of connection here. There's a lot of insane chemistry going on right here. Like, you just jive and vibe. Like, hindi nyo kailangan pilitin yung sarili ninyo. It's just natural, no? Yung parang nagkakaintindihan kayo rito na kunwari ang ang syongit ng joke, no? Pero siya tawang-tawa siya kasi nag-gets niya yung joke mo. It's like both of you right here, no? Meron na kayo agad na understanding sa isa't isa. Kahit tingin lang. If you know what I mean. It's like nagets niya na, no? It's like whoever this individual is, you both feel the same and you will both feel the same. You're gonna be on the same page with this person. So, I don't know who this person is specifically. Pero, yung iba, may tawid dagat. So, either dun siya nakatira, no? Or sa pagitan ng lugar kung saan kayo nakatira, yung location or yung different country, state, or region ay napapalibutan ng tubig. So, maaring pag pumunta kayo sa kanila, no, pwede kayong sumakay ng cruise ship, no, or ferry boat, yung mga ganun. Or this is you, pwede ka rin mag-airplane, no, kung medyo gusto mong mabilis ka makarating dun. Basta may tawid dagat. Tawid dagat. I'm seeing a lot of water here. Okay? And that's definitely signaling, no, as a location. Kasi nakita ko yung parang pin, you know, yung yung pin na pa ganun, yung ganun mga mahal, no, yung parang sa Grab, no, kung saan mo ipipin or whatever. That's what I'm sensing. So, yeah, whoever this individual is, no, pwedeng sa malayo siya nakatira or may distance sa inyong dalawa. pero yung distance na yun ay nakikita ko na maglalapit na kayo. Wow! This is so beautiful right here. Okay? And this type of connection, you will conquer here mountains. Anong ibig mo sabihin dun, Miss Yan? Marami kayong pagdadaan ng pagsubok, pero yung lahat ng pagsubok na yun, kesyo maliit yun, kesyo malaki yun, magmumukha lang yung gatuldok. Yan. Kasi you're all in this together. I'm seeing that word together. It's like, you have this kind of song, no, of Neo. Neo ba yun, Chris Brown, no? Parang, we should be together eternally. Yan, no? So whatever be the case may be, this person here wants to hold hands with you, no? Hanggat sa gusto niya. So this person here, walang maliit, walang malaking problema. Lahat yan, kaya niyong lampasan basta magkasama kayo. O sige, tapos na yung reading, ililigpit ko na. Niligpit. You know, so we also have here the Four of Swords energy, Eight of Coins. I'm also seeing right here, yeah, look at that. Travel is really pointing out here, Aries. So whatever the case may be, you could meet this person here, okay, pwedeng malapit sa dagat, malapit sa body of water, could be falls, could be nature vibe, ganyan, or may mga mountains, maybe mag-hike kayo, magka-camping, whatever, mamit mo siya ron. Travel is really being highlighted here. That's what I'm sensing. Okay? So you could be traveling into the location kung nasan siya, or this person could be traveling into the location kung nasan ka, whether that's a different country overseas or whether nandito siya sa Philippines or whatever I'm seeing. Okay? Na nature will bring you together. Yan. No? It's like you will be at the same place and at the same time with this person here. And then, boom, everything just happens here. It's like, yung mga bagay na hindi mo ina-expect, yun yung mangyayari, no? Kasi, planado na to ni Universe, mga babes, no? Like, literally, kunwari, bumili kang ice cream doon, eh, nandoon din siya, okay? Bumili kang ice cream doon, no? Tapos, nilagyan ng scoop yung ice cream. Hindi na sa lunong apa, so nalaglag. Ay! Nalaglag yung ice cream. So, nakita niya yun, no? Tapos binigyan ka ng tissue, yung mga ganon, no? So, ang ganda na example. Kasi ang ganda na example mo. Alam ko ba't ko naano yung ice cream? Because I saw the word sweet. So, ibig sabihin mga babes, no? This person here is sweet, okay? And alam naman natin na yung ice cream, no? Pag kumakain tayo, no? It makes us happy. So, whatever the case may be, I'm getting that this person here is someone na talaga magpapasaya sa'yo. And this person's kind of sweet, you know? Yan, no? Pero yung example talaga, Miss Yen, huwag niyo nang pansinin yung example. Alam niyo naman kakatapos lang ng New Year, diba? Bangag. So, yun yung mga babes, no? Kaliwat kanan yung video, okay? No, mga babes, no? Kagabi. So, hindi na magkarinig ang mga kapitbahay, no? Importante, masaya. Okay, so we also have here this Seven of Coins energy, Six of Cups. Yes, really moving towards here into the calmer water. And yes, ha, nakita ko rito ng opportunity sa kaperahan. So, yung iba, pwedeng hindi nyo pa nakikita ito. Okay? Like, literally, meron kayong ganito. Wala naman akong balak minsan umalis sa trabaho ko ngayon. I'm seeing you making alas dyan sa trabaho na yan. Kasi meron kang makikita ang mas magandang opportunity, which is, I do sense na igagrab mo yun, no? Hindi ka na mag-iisip rito. Ang iisipin mo na lang dito, no, is paano ka ba makaka alis, no, dyan sa work mo na yan. Ang iisipin mo is yung ilalagay mong reason, no, sa yung resignation kung ba't ka aalis. Yun yung kita ko rito. Because there is some kind of an opportunity right here na talagang plakak, no? Kasi one of the New Year's resolution that I'm getting from you, Aries, is that this is you 2024. Mag-iipon na talaga ako. It's like this is you tapping your shoulder. Aries, hey, mag-ipon ka na. Ganun ka sa sarili mo, no? And this is you. Gusto mo mas makapag-ipon ng malaki and then, boom, an opportunity will show up. This opportunity is related to money, coins, pentacles, and finances. So kung ano man to, either business yan, either career yan, job, or whatever, I'm seeing you taking action in grabbing that because this will not only um, increase your savings, but this will also make you feel na parang hindi mo kailangan mamroblema when it comes to money. Wow, this is really good, Aries, ha? Um, Alam niyo naman na yung opportunity can knock anytime, isn't it? Pero nakikita ko rito, this news right here, meron ditong tao na makikilala kayo, no, which is sa kanya manggagaling yun. And this is someone here na pagkakatiwalaan mo, kasi trusted siya, kilala siya ng kilala mo na. Pwedeng close mo, tapos kilala siya nun. Okay? Kaya parang may tiwala ka na rin. Kasi you trust that someone you already know. Okay? I'm not saying na dahil dun, kaya ka magtitiwala na or whatever, no? But also, dahil nakikita ko matalino ka, Aries, no? Nakikita ko rito na if you see that this is actually legit and this is true, na hindi ito scam, you will definitely go to it. Kasi it will really um, magkakaroon rito ng magandang sound sa ears mo eh, yung opportunity na yan, no? Which is, ito na yung hinihintay mo na opportunity. This 2024, gusto ko na makapagpatayo ng bahay. This 2024, gusto ko mas makapag-ipon ng malaki. Yung 6 digits, yung 5 digits, mga ganyan, no? And ikaw to, na ito na yung opportunity na yun. Kaya kahit nakikita ka may trabaho ka or business ka, kung business yan, nakikita kung papalitan mo yan at gagawin mong itong business na to, no? Na i-offer sa'yo, no? Or kung hindi man business yan para sa iba, no? Basta trabaho yan. Nakikita ko na kahit may trabaho ka ngayon at nakikita ko na masaya ka naman dyan, nakikita kong lilipat ka kasi mas nakikita mo yung sarili mo, no? Na mas magiging masaya ka doon, no? At nakikita ko na alam mo, okay, na mas maganda yung mga benefits doon at talaga mas makakapag-ipon ka. Actually, 2024, I don't know why I'm picking up, okay, somewhere around August, I'm seeing you, what's this? Bringing your family into a vacation na sagot mo o ikaw yung may pinakamalaking parte dun. Nakita ko rito. You're gonna go out together with your family around August. It could happen around August, possibly September, could be October or July, whatever. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you, no, that this opportunity right here that will show up, ang laki ng money na madadagdag niyan sa'yo. Like to the point no, na kahit hindi ka pa pumasok ng 2 days. Yung nakikita ko rito. So, very good. Aries, no? So, yan, i-claim mo na to mga mahal, no? So, yeah! Happy New Year! And, yan, I don't know why I saw yung um, what's this? Yung beads na bracelet. So, baka meron kayo nun. May parang bilog-bilog, no? Parang wood, whatever. So, if meron kayo nun or wala, it's okay. Nakita natin kaya natin minention. Okay? So, this could be your reading as well. So, yeah, Aries, ito ang mga mensahe for you guys. Sarang hayo, love and light. Annyeong.